Hello pop-uppers, this is Chacha. This video is the third flower of our 14 pop-up flower series. If you are interested to know how I did it, then keep watching. This is our spread. The pop-up elements are the flowers only, so I have drawn the leaves already on the spread with my favorite colored pencils. Here are our flower elements. Pop-uppers, whatever you are creating, I think it is very helpful if you have an inspiration. My inspiration for this pop-up flower is my rose in our little garden. Its pale pink color looks so simple but beautiful. So, I chose the pink color for our pop-up flowers for this video. So, let's fold our spread half. As you can see, I'm folding each flower here too, because that will be our guide. I created 11 flowers, and because I don't have a printer for now, I needed to draw and color them one by one. It's a little tiring, but I enjoy the process. Additionally, if you color them by hand, you can really see the authenticity of the color and its vibrance as it is transferred onto the paper. But if you like to duplicate them through printing, then you can do so. So now, let's cut these two flowers halfway because we're going to insert them like this, so as to create a flower as if it has many petals. Then, paste it at the top center, following the fold that we made. Okay, here it is. It should look like this. Then, let's put another flower here to cover the stalk. Then, connect these two by putting a little glue at the top of the center petal. By the way, pop-uppers, you need to know that I did not follow any exact measurements upon attaching them to one another. Even the flowers themselves are not exactly in the same size. That is because I want to create a pop-up design that is out of our creativity, just by following the simple folding principles that we have learned from the beginning or past videos. And I hope that you are also willing to discover your potential in making pop-ups on your own. And eventually, you can discover your own ways and techniques along the way. Just enjoy the process. As you can see, I made some mistakes here, so I needed to detach and attach them again and again. And I think that's okay. We just need a lot of patience. Alright, so they are folding well now. Then, let's add more flowers. Okay, our pop-up elements are working well. That means the folds that we made are correct. So here it is, our third pop-up flowers. Thank you so much, pop-uppers. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye!